We're about to do an unboxing of the eufy wired C31 dual camera. So we're going to check out what's actually in the box here. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up, flip it around, and yeah. So as obviously we can see, we got our two cameras here. So it has these little flaps on the side, so you can just pull it up like this. Let's go ahead and move this out of the way for now, and bring these cameras back in, security cams. So we'll pull it out. Let's open this up real quick. Open the plastic. Let's take this out. Yeah, so you can see here, this is exactly what it looks like. It's got some plastic here, plastic on the side of that. You've got our little dog ears that I like. It's panning and tilting here. Here's your USB-C. Let's see if we do this. Yeah. And I guess, yeah, that's what it is. This is what the actual camera looks like. So let's go and put that back in. Let's bring the other part. Here we have our little docking stations. So we've got our two docking stations. Then we have our plugs for our wires here. So USB-C, USB, plug in the USB there. We've got our instruction manual. We've got a, all right. Tell people to stay away, you're being recorded. Got a little tiny instruction manual here. And we've got another wire. We've got some screws in order to put them into the wall or wherever we're going to put these cameras. I guess we have a whole bunch of, oh wow, that's cool. That's really cool. You got a bunch of stickers that you can put on top of your, on the, on the front of your camera. That's pretty cool. Oh, what is this? I don't know what this is. Huh, okay, just a bunch of white stickers, okay. And last but not least, we have another set of these. So that's pretty cool. So that's everything that comes in the dual camera setup box.